Welcome to Review Lab. The best Amish Canning Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after resources for anyone looking to embrace traditional food preservation methods, offering a gateway into a world where self-sufficiency and wholesome eating are paramount, and this particular guide promises to unlock the secrets of time-honored techniques passed down through generations, ensuring your pantry is stocked with delicious, healthy, and naturally preserved foods that taste like they came straight from an old-fashioned farm. Number 5. The Encyclopedia of Country Living, 50th Anniversary Edition. For half a century, this guide has been the ultimate resource for living off the land. It's a timeless manual for anyone seeking a more independent and hands-on lifestyle. Discover the foundational knowledge needed to thrive in a self-sufficient environment. This book provides practical advice for homesteading and embracing an off-grid existence. Learn the essential skills for DIY projects and self-reliance. It empowers you to tackle challenges and live more autonomously, just as generations before have. Explore comprehensive strategies for successful homesteading and navigating off-grid survival. It's packed with wisdom for creating a sustainable and resilient way of life. This special anniversary edition honors a rich legacy of practical knowledge. It remains an indispensable tool for modern living, connecting you to the land and your own capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just beginning, this is your essential companion. It offers the guidance you need to live a more fulfilling and self-sufficient life. What we like. This book is a treasure trove for anyone interested in self-sufficiency. It covers a vast array of skills beyond just canning. If you are looking to embrace a more independent lifestyle or learn practical homesteading techniques, this is your ultimate resource. What people say. Lots of info about having a small bit of land and what you can do, as well as how to raise animals, easy to understand. It breaks everything down in a way that feels friendly, not overwhelming, whether you're learning about gardening, preserving food, raising animals, or just living more self-sufficiently. It's packed with real, usable information that doesn't assume you already know all the lingo. The canning instructions helped me preserve my tomatoes without poisoning myself. Number 4. Complete Guide to Pressure Canning. Unlock the secrets to safe and effective pressure canning. Learn everything you need to preserve your favorite foods. Discover the techniques for perfectly canning meats. Enjoy delicious, home-preserved protein anytime you want. Transform your garden's bounty into long-lasting meals. Canning vegetables has never been easier or more rewarding. Explore creative recipes for canning complete meals. These convenient jars are perfect for busy days. This comprehensive guide covers all the essential knowledge for pressure canning. Expand your skills and preserve a wider variety of foods. From beginner tips to advanced techniques, find all the information you need in one place. Start preserving with confidence today. What we like. This guide offers an in-depth look specifically at pressure canning, which is essential for low-acid foods like meats and vegetables. If you are serious about safely preserving a wider variety of foods, especially proteins, this book is a must-have. What people say. This book literally explains how to do so safely. It tells you exact types of pumpkins to use and specifically how to chop it up into small cubes, plus the exact pressure and time required, which is much longer than most other recipes, to make it safe. This book covers everything you need to know about safely canning meats, vegetables, and full meals. The instructions are clear, detailed, and perfect for both beginners and experienced canners. The book arrived well packaged in paperback form, large pages with step-by-step directions on the proper way to can meats, vegetables, and full meals. Number 3. Amish Canning and Preserving Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the timeless tradition of Amish food preservation. This cookbook is your perfect guide to creating delicious homemade goods. Explore a collection of easy-to-follow recipes designed for beginners. You'll learn to make everything from fruit fillings to savory pickles. Master the techniques for preserving your favorite fruits and vegetables. Create delightful pie fillings and crisp, flavorful pickles with ease. Whip up sweet spreads and jams that will be a hit with family and friends. Enjoy the taste of homemade goodness all year round. Embrace the simple, wholesome flavors of Amish country. These recipes are designed for everyone to enjoy and share. Start your journey into canning and preserving with confidence. This book provides all the essential knowledge you need for success. What we like. This cookbook is designed with absolute beginners in mind, making the canning process accessible and enjoyable. If you're new to preserving and want to start with easy-to-follow recipes for fruits and sweet spreads, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. The step-by-step instructions are easy to follow and I am ready to begin. I found this book so helpful with easy guiding steps. I am learning so much and getting back to the basics one step at a time. This book has a lot of good information to help me since I'm new to canning and preserving food. Number 2. Amish Canning and Preserving Cookbook. Discover the time-honored traditions of Amish cooking with this comprehensive cookbook. It's filled with authentic recipes passed down through generations. Explore over 100 mouth-watering recipes designed for water bath canning and preserving. You'll find a variety of delicious options to suit any taste. Learn the simple and effective techniques for water bath canning. This guide makes it easy to preserve your favorite foods at home. Make the most of your garden's bounty by preserving your harvest. These recipes are perfect for keeping your fruits and vegetables fresh year-round. Experience the true taste of tradition with these carefully curated recipes. They bring the warmth and flavor of Amish kitchens right to yours. This is your complete guide to canning and preserving. With over 100 recipes, you have everything you need to start preserving today. What we like. With over 100 complete recipes, this book provides an extensive collection for water bath canning enthusiasts. If you love preserving fruits, vegetables, and jams using the water bath method and want a wide variety of options, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This book is a treasure trove of information for anyone interested in canning and preserving. It covers a wide range of techniques and recipes, from basic water bath canning to more advanced pressure canning methods. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The author provides helpful tips and explanations for each step, ensuring successful results. I love that this cookbook includes a variety of recipes, not just the standard fruit preserves. There are recipes for vegetables, meats, and even dairy products, offering a diverse range of options for preserving food. Number 1. Amish Canning and Preserving Cookbook. Discover the time-honored traditions of Amish canning and preserving. This comprehensive guide is your perfect starting point for creating delicious homemade goods. Learn how to transform fresh ingredients into pantry staples. You'll be able to preserve the bounty of your harvest with ease and confidence. Explore a wide variety of recipes, from hearty soups and savory sauces to crisp pickles and flavorful relishes. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Our easy-to-follow instructions make canning accessible for beginners. You'll gain the skills needed to preserve foods safely and effectively. Experience the authentic flavors of traditional Amish preserving. Bring these classic tastes into your own kitchen and share them with loved ones. This cookbook is your ultimate resource for all things canning and preserving. Start your journey to delicious, homemade foods today. What we like. This is the ultimate beginner's guide to making a wide range of preserves, including hearty soups and savory sauces. If you are just starting out and want to learn how to preserve everyday staples like soups, sauces, and relishes, this book will guide you. What people say. Nice variety of canning options. This book discusses a little bit of Amish culture, what's involved in the canning process, how to store canned goods, and the step-by-step process of 2 different canning methods. Also, it includes many recipes for canning your favorite kinds of soups, sauces, pickled foods, and relishes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.